In this video, I'll show you how to store encrypted documents in your password vault step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a more secure way to manage your sensitive files, this quick tutorial will get you there in under 3 minutes. So, let's dive in. First things first, make sure your encrypted documents are stored in a format that your password vault can handle, like a .zip, .pdf, or any file type that you typically secure with encryption. If you haven't already encrypted your documents, you can easily do this using encryption tools like VeraCrypt or BitLocker. Once your files are encrypted, the next step is to log into your password vault. You're going to need a vault that supports file storage. The software we'll be using today is a popular choice. Don't worry. If you're not sure which vault to use, I've got you covered. In the description below, there's an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend, so you can follow along with this tutorial and get started right away. Now, with your vault open, navigate to the section where you can store files. This will vary depending on the software you're using, but most vaults will have an easy-to-find Add File or Upload button. Click that, then select your encrypted document. When uploading, make sure to double-check that the file is properly encrypted before confirming the upload. This ensures your document stays secure, even if someone were to get access to your vault. After confirming, your encrypted file will be stored safely in your password vault. Next, you can name the file, something that helps you remember what it is, but also keep it vague enough that it doesn't give away any sensitive details in case someone else gains access to your vault. You can also add tags or labels if your vault supports them, which helps organize your files. Once uploaded, your encrypted document is now stored in your password vault and ready to access at any time. To open it, simply go back to the vault, find the file, and use your vault's decryption feature to access it securely. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your sensitive documents safe and still be able to access them whenever you need. And there you have it. You've now learned how to store encrypted documents in your password vault in just a few steps. Key takeaway: always ensure your files are encrypted before uploading them to your vault, and double check that your vault is secure. Quick recap: encrypt your document, upload it to your vault, and verify that it stays secure. Don't forget to check the exclusive free trial link in the description below to follow along with the software I recommend. That's it for today's tutorial. Stay secure and see you in the next video.